I want to give you a joke. I walk way. Think I saw, you know. The cloth, I think I chew here, so. I walk away from the yard where we there. In a vexation. If I go look drink and water. Onto Ross cloth. I walk about 20 miles. And realize, say, I don't remember how if I fucking. I never remember my name, my place, much less. So not even taxi me can even try to forget. All I have to do is walk. You get? So you see this journey I'm going to do? I wish I could have just record the whole life, but I don't know, I'll try still. I'm not going to see. Yo, trust me, that I beat up over the head. But, yeah, I'm going to walk till I find it, you know, I find it. I just go cool off fresh, and make a decision from there, so. You get me? Because when you're in a foreign country, you have to spend more and you have to quick. You get me? But right now, I know to over this. Yo, yeah. And people that eat food. Right. Yard man no give up still, you see me, so. Big up on yourself. Don't know. They are foreign. You see me? Walk. Right now I'm head top wet. You get me? I'm sure them people are similar not pass them and go down. When some walk go down, you see me? Yeah, I'm sure you see me still. But yeah. Walking like I'm on a racetrack. You get me? So anyway, big up on the same. I got you one desert right now. Turn you when you can't see nothing at all. You see me? A joke. So I lost like just for a while. After that, trouble there. Alright. Looking at people. People may never walk yourself before, I don't live here, I don't know ya. But look here. So that clear darkness. Can't see. People are come see me. Yeah. See. This is in the dark of the dark. If you're scared of the cat, you can't walk around and stuff. You see it? Alright, watch. Turn on my phone light. And I'm gonna swap on. I feel like I walk off already. Okay. No, no, swap on. Yeah. Okay. In the next man country, I walk through them dark hole. Huh? Think a joke. Think a joke. And that's it. So I signed to know Mpal Wapesa Delama. Look. So I was here. Oh, this my face very wet. Wet. 6 minutes that gone 5. I remember half I journey, I realized that if you use my phone, I place it there. You get me? Fuck. I need a tunnel now. Right, man, I pause. Mr. Fox. I'm seeing things. Wow. Look down there. Shit. Okay, so I need to go down here, to go over there, to go up the hill there. Alright. So, watch it out now, people. I walk at the hillside somewhere around here, so. I remember I want to go up the hill. Yeah. I want to go way up that hill over there. So I'm going to have to go down here, walk up the road. Englishman and them to English Canaries. Englishman them. I said, no mate, I ain't gone through that mate. By myself, you mad mate. No mate, yard man do them things. You get me? Yeah. See that foreign country me there, no? But me don't know where me there. It's to navigate 1,000.5 step. Gotcha. Alright, supposed to reach now. I think I just door. Somewhere down there, so.